Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the area and taking immediate steps to reduce heat buildup. First, move the Xbox to a flat, hard surface and leave 6 to 12 inches of clearance around every vent so airflow isn't blocked. Next, power down, unplug, and wait 2 minutes before using compressed air in short bursts to clear visible dust. This prevents fan strain. Once done, plug back in and monitor exhaust briefly so you can confirm airflow has improved before continuing to longer-term fixes. Now you optimize airflow and system settings to sustain cooler operation. Position the console as the manual recommends and never seal it inside an enclosed cabinet. You want free movement of air. Elevate the unit 1/2 inch to 1 inch or use a low-profile cooling pad to improve underside circulation. Then, in system settings, enable sensible auto shutdown timers and choose balanced or energy-saving modes when high performance isn't needed, because lower power reduces heat output. Finish with routine maintenance and a clear troubleshooting protocol so you can stop overheating before damage occurs. Set a dusting schedule every 3 to 6 months and deep clean if fans sound loud or irregular. Worn thermal paste and clogged internals raise temps over time. If you still see sustained temperatures 10 to 20 degrees higher than normal, consider professional service or thermal paste replacement. If things go wrong right now, test the console on a different outlet with minimal load to isolate power or environmental causes before opening or replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.